Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to easily create animated videos like this one. Whether you are a frog or a spaceman, this tool is for you. First, go to the link in the description to access the free tool, no credit card required. Then, choose your character from the categories offered, and select your background and the size of your video. You can then adjust your character using the scale controller. To add your voice, record it directly by pressing the dedicated button, or use the generated voice tool offered by 11 Labs. Then upload the audio file and add it to your animated video. In a few seconds, your video will be ready to be published on YouTube or any other platform of your choice. Don't forget to click the like button if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.